Hey guys, we're going to do something a little bit different. You guys are going to pick the hardware I use in the next video. I'm going to give you 4 different options, but what we are going to go with. This is from this year's, 2024's Phoenix Shaving Advent Calendar. I got this sent from my buddy Mike, Long Island Shaving. And this is Hinoki and White Sage. Of course, he sent me the Splash, so this is epic. I am probably going to end up buying a set of their regular release of this. But you guys get to pick. Number 1 is this shavette that I got on Amazon, I believe. So if you want to see me use this, just say number 1 in the comments below. You would have seen me talk about that shavette in my video I did on how to load shavettes. Number 2 is a Dovo shavette. This is not the exact one that my barber uses, and really got me one of my first introductions to wet shaving was the Dovo shavette. So if you want to see me use this, put number 2 in the comments below. Number 3 is going to be this interesting looking wackadoodle I just got from AliExpress. Takes a full-size DE. Very cool, mechanical looking, steampunkish maybe. Very solid. So if you want to see that one, hit right number 3 in the comments down below. Or number 4, and one I'm kind of hoping you'll pick, is this folding single edge razor I just got. Is kind of cool. Just got this one from AliExpress as well. Folds like that. So if you want to see me use this one in my next video, write number 4 in the comments down below. So put your comments down below. Let me know which one we're going with. The folding single edge, the steampunk looking mechanical, classic Dovo, or this looking thingy that I believe I got on Amazon and have not used any of these razors in a video yet. So let me know, and we'll get it done up in your next video. Thanks, guys.